welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to bring up the temperature of a wood burning oven in a simple way. The most easiest. Hold on, I have a couple of pizzas, 1 second. Let me turn it. Thumbs up. Here we go, I'm back here. So, simple thing. So the oven right now is a little bit low, so we have about 4 pizzas to do. Small and cut, just like this, break. So we're gonna set it up to the left side of the oven. Make sure you don't throw the wood inside the oven or you're gonna crack the bottom of the pizza. So get a piece of wood, you push it inside, we let it warm up a little bit, and when the pizzas are about to be ready to go in the oven, we get a piece of wood and we fire up. So let's go make these pizzas right here. We got 4 truffle pizzas right now, let's go make it. Got some truffle pesto, smells good, come on. Okay, so the pizzas are about to be ready in about maybe a couple of minutes. So my friend Simone here is gonna fire up the piece of wood. This way we don't have too much smoke going on the pizza. When you set up the wood, Simone just made a mistake, which in purpose, just to show you why. So when you set up a piece of wood, make sure back here is nothing. So all the ashes needs to be empty, just like that. So you empty it out, and then you set up a piece of wood just all across. This way the air between the wood goes under. First pizza, we set it up to the left side. Second pizza, we're gonna follow the line. There we go. Number 3. Simone, un po' più veloce, se no mi rallenta. Number 3, esci il tartufo. Go right there, and now number 4. Esci il tartufo, come va? Tartufo, sta il tartufo dentro. Number 4, we're gonna set it up right there in the center. The oven is nice and hot, and the smoke is a little bit just up there, but the oven is still a little bit low temperature. You gotta understand something. The pizza needs to be cooked with the flame. So no flame, the pizza will become too crunchy. So one pizza, we made a hole, like you can see here. The oven, because it's low and the flame was too much, what happened, the bottom of the pizza, when I went to turn it hard, it break. So Simone is making more. I want to show to you what to do, how to move the pizza when the oven is low temperature, the bottom of the stone, but it's high on the flame. So what to do, I'll show you right now. In the center of the oven, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait that the pizza cooks nicely brown on one side, and then slowly, I'll show you, we're gonna turn it and to the other side. Okay. So now, did you see the pizza is cooked on one side? Because the oven is low, again, I repeat, on the bottom, we just check, and slowly, gentle, we go under and we move it. See, it's already trying to break. So we move the spot, we change the spot, like you can see right now. So we change the spot. This way we cook more the bottom, and then we go for sure it doesn't break. The pizza is ready. Like you can see, it's no. So now I'm gonna get again the other truffle. It's ready. There we go. The pizza is made cooked, well done. There we go. So again, this is the oven, how to bring up the temperature really fast, and I hope you like this video. We're gonna finish these truffle pizzas. Make sure to check out my other videos, like I made a video about this grill, and hope you like this video, hope it was helpful for you. Please guys, just a thumbs up and just a little subscribe. From my Iacopelli, see you every Tuesday and Friday with a new video about Neapolitan pizza. If you have any question, comment below, I will answer to you. Ciao and see you soon.